Welcome to the world of rustic interior design, where the timeless beauty of nature meets the warmth of a cozy retreat. Rustic interior design is a style that celebrates the natural beauty of materials, simplicity, and the charm of the countryside. It's a warm and inviting design style that brings the outdoors in and creates a cozy and comforting atmosphere. If you're looking to create a rustic interior, here are some principles and characteristics to keep in mind. 1. Natural materials. The foundation of rustic design is the use of natural materials. Wood is the star of the show, with exposed beams, wooden floors, and rough-hewn furniture taking center stage. Stone, brick, and reclaimed materials also play important roles in creating a rustic ambiance. 2. Earthy color palette. Rustic interiors often feature earthy and warm colors. Think of the colors found in nature, such as rich browns, deep greens, warm reds, and muted yellows. 3. Textured surfaces. Texture is a key element of rustic design. Rough textures, like distressed wood, stone walls, and natural fabrics such as wool or burlap, add depth and character to the space. Incorporating textiles like plaid, gingham, and leather can further enhance the rustic feel. 4. Cozy and comfortable. Rustic interiors are all about creating a sense of comfort. Use soft, plush furnishings like overstuffed sofas and chairs, and add plenty of throw pillows and blankets to make the space inviting. Consider a fireplace, which is a classic rustic feature that adds warmth and a focal point to the room. 5. Simple and unpretentious. The rustic style is not about luxury or opulence. It's about simplicity and authenticity. Furniture should be functional and unadorned, with a handmade or worn appearance. Vintage or distressed pieces fit perfectly into this design style. 6. Open spaces. Rustic interiors often feature open floor plans that allow for a seamless flow between the kitchen, dining area, and living space. This openness can create a welcoming and communal atmosphere. 7. Nature-inspired decor. Decorate with items that celebrate nature, such as botanical prints, wildlife motifs, and natural elements like branches, antlers, or dried flowers. Incorporating houseplants and floral arrangements can also add a touch of freshness to the space. 8. Warm lighting. Lighting should be warm and inviting, typically with soft, warm hues. Use fixtures made from natural materials like wrought iron, wood, or glass to enhance the rustic feel. Chandeliers, lanterns, and candle sconces can be particularly effective. 9. Vintage and handmade accessories. Decorate with vintage and handcrafted items, such as handwoven baskets, folk art, and weathered signage. These unique pieces add character and a sense of history to the space. Rustic interior design is all about embracing the beauty of imperfections, creating a warm and welcoming environment, and celebrating the charm of the countryside. By following these principles and incorporating these characteristics, you can create a rustic interior that feels both timeless and uniquely your own.